the farmers were given a very shabby treatment, which they did not deserve. After all, they came to protest peacefully, which is the right of any Indian citizen. But the way they were tear gassed, lathi charged, water cannons were thrown at them, this was most uncalled for. And as a result, today they have their backs up. And they have the support, I can tell you, in Punjab and Haryana of an overwhelming section of society. Even in Delhi and all over the country, people have sympathy for them, for the way they are being treated. And I do hope tomorrow better sense will prevail and government will not be rigid, because after all what they are demanding is to save their livelihoods. I can speak for my farmers from Punjab. They feel threatened because they feel that the market at their doorstep, which they had up until now, is now going to be snatched away from them. So obviously they are worried about their future and the future of their children. And the government must deal with them sympathetically. I have said this earlier also. Mr. Prakash Singh Badal is 93 years old. The tallest farm leader since Chaudhary Charan Singh. Farmers look up to him. And when he returns an award like that, he does with a lot of anguish and a lot of pain and some anger also. Because he cannot tolerate his farmer brethren being treated like this. He has been telling them time and again that please do not rush into it. But he was not even consulted. We were part of the NDA. We were not even consulted. In the cabinet, Harsimrat Badal was told that when she raised this issue, and she said there is going to be a huge opposition and that she was not willing to accept it, she was told, don't worry, we will address all issues and we will make sure that all the apprehensions of the farmers would be met. Yet nothing was done, and suddenly a surprise was sprung on us. We were not even shown the bill. She was shown the bill in the cabinet a couple of hours before it was presented to Parliament. So they have rushed into it, and I think now they will have to adjust, because farmers are not going to relent as far as the situation seems up until now. I condemn it in the strongest possible language. I am an Indian. I come from a family that has fought for the freedom of this country, and how dare these people call the poor farmer who has liberated India from hunger, who has provided India food security, how dare they call them Khalistanis and terrorists and Naxalites? Who are these people to give these certificates? And I condemn it in the strongest possible language. I hope that they will stop talking at each other and start talking to each other. If time and again you are going to tell the farmer that these laws which we have enacted are in your interest, then you assume that the farmer is a fool. A farmer may be semi-literate or illiterate, but the farmer has a lot of common sense and he knows that these laws which have been enacted are not in his interest. Look, I don't want to get into their internal politics, their tu main. As far as my party is concerned, we have a lot of sympathy with the farmers, and the farmers have our full support. That is the reason Mr. Badal has returned his Padma Award, and we will stand with the farmer come what may. The whole country knows that Mr. Badal is a very tall farm leader, in fact the tallest leader after Chaudhary Charan Singh. Farmers all over the country look up to him. And obviously, when the interest of a farmer is threatened, Mr. Badal has to speak out. And how can he keep an award like this when he feels that his brethren are being harmed? So, this should not be seen in political terms, his returning of the award.
So, do you think that something come out in the next meeting, sir?
That's what I'm saying. I hope that every party will be flexible, because without flexibility, if there is total rigidity, then I don't see any outcome. Government has to be more flexible, more accommodating, and I do hope tomorrow better sense will prevail. Unfortunately, in India, given our party system, these things do not happen. But the farmers know that everybody, every section, every political party has their support.